Alrighty. Okay, so this is because of blogless behavior. Ladessa Cobb, she was playing with this. This is the Matte for Matte Jewel Pop. Now, I am a fan of the Matte for Mattes, but I have to be honest, I really haven't used this yet. So let me show it to you all. So, you know, I love a good matte palette. So I'm going to play with this one today. We're going to see how it works out. You know, because, you know, the thing is everybody has different complexions, different skin tones, and so things will show up different on them, things like that. So I wanted to see how it's going to look on me, because I honestly haven't, you know, I got it and then it's like I got other things and it kind of got pushed back. So I really like doing this though, because I'm really spending more time with a lot of my palettes that have just been kind of like lingering in the background, and giving other things more, you know, time so we can see what they work like. So I hope you like the playing with palettes that I've been doing. If you do, let me know, leave a comment. You know, if there's certain palettes that you know I have, you would like me to play with, let me know. I'll try to put them in my rotation, because I am really trying to try some things out. Okay, so here we go, Jewel Pop.
All right, so I'm using this, you know, the e.l.f. I'm going to use that bright blue for the transition. So let me just, I was really working hard, because I wanted the blue to just be so perfect. And so I decided to change the brush at that point. And it wasn't that I wasn't getting it on, it's just I really wanted an intense blue in this transition. You know, I wanted to be really pretty, like see how it's like a cobalty blue on? I wanted it like that. So I wanted to build it up, but I wanted to take my time building it up, because I didn't want it to get away from me and then be stuck trying to blend it out. I'd rather build it up than blend it out. Okay. And even though I should have cut this out, because I did try to get her off with me, hence the edit, but she wouldn't go away. It's like she wants to steal my shine. I mean, she really wants to be the star of this. Porch Cat really wants to be the star. We're not doing this anymore. Guess I put some lip balm on, since I really can't work on my eyes at the moment. All right, now we're back. Now let's keep working. Okay, so now let me just tell you what happened. I decided that I didn't want to do the blue anymore, so now I'm using the lighter purple as my transition. I decided that I wanted to do something different, so I switched it up. I should have edited this out, shouldn't I have? But I thought I would show you all that sometimes, you know, it's like you come out with one thought and then you go, nope, I don't want to do it anymore. So that was like 5 minutes of me playing with it, and now I'm changing it. So I know you all are like, what the hell? But, you know, I just want to be honest with you all and show you what really happened. Because I could have made it all perfect. But I decided not to. I decided to show you all what really happened, which was I made a change and I primed my lids again and started working on it again. And then I decided maybe I need some light. All right, so I'm using the lighter purple. And honestly, it worked really well. Now, I was really obsessively blending this time. I don't know why I was doing it so serious. But now, okay, let me use the purple. So I'm going to put the purple in the outer V and in the crease. Because it seems like I'm going to have a half cut crease. I think that's where I'm going with this. That wasn't the plan in the beginning. I don't know what the plan was, but now I'm really liking how these are blending together and looking so gorgeous on my eyes. Sorry, I got allergies are bothering me. So I'm just going to blend those out with a clean brush. Make sure they're blended well. Oh, my nose is bothering me. Please forgive me. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but you know how it is when you first start out with your eyes. They look a little crazy until you fix it up. Okay, now I'm going to take a little of the black and deepen up that outer corner. This black is nice. It's not gray, and it's not a super intense black because I have more intense blacks, but it's just black enough to deepen up the corner. Now I'm taking more of my purple just to make sure that the crease is just where I want it to be. I'm sorry I'm still for you all, but I really have my allergies. It's like really bad here in Chicago. Sorry. Alright, so now I've cut the crease, did a half cut crease, so I used concealer to lighten it up. So now I'm going to use that blue, because now I'm wanting the blue as opposed to my transition, which it was a really good transition color. Now I want to use it and pat it on my lid. Now on my lid I'm having more problems with it, but honestly I don't know if it's the shadow or if it's the way I set my color, set that lid. I don't know if it's that, because I use this heart shape tape and some powder, so I don't know if that was if it had. No, actually I used my e.l.f. I didn't use my heart shape tape. I used e.l.f. my e.l.f. concealer kit, and I don't think it was all the way dry when I started doing this, so the color stuck to it. My hair looks a mess. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Now this was really hard, and if you notice, you could see where it wasn't laying really well on my eyelids, and it was like it was getting stuck in places, and it was really patchy, and it was like no matter what I did. So I spent a lot of time trying to get this color right, but it just wasn't. It was like one spot. It was one spot in particular. Just, you see right there, right there. Ugh. It just was not cooperating, but I was determined. But the blue is so pretty that I want it to work. So I'm gonna play with this again. And you see, I just swept it away by accident. You see that? You see how it went? Oh my God. And then I'm gonna have to put some more on because I messed that up. I messed it up right there. So now I'm trying to fix it. Ugh. However, I'm gonna keep this look on, just so y'all know. So what do I think about this palette? I kind of like it. I'm gonna keep playing with it. I'm going to see if it works better than this. Next time, I think I'm gonna try my Tarte Shape Tape and see if I use that, you know, to cut a crease, because I like the look. It's just that you see how patchy that is. Ugh. And so I'm blending in the corners just to make sure the edges blend together with the blue. And I'm gonna clean off the sides, clean those sides up. And now I put on my makeup, but now the light is terrible. The sun has come up. So I'm going to line the bottom with the green. And I like the green though. The green is looking really cute. And let me do a little smudgy smudge just to make sure I get it together. All right, and let's finish this.
Come out here in front of the house because the sunlight was so intense. The sun had come out, and I wanted to show you all this look with the e.l.f. Jewel Pop. I know normally I don't talk about it, but let's just talk. You see how patchy that is right there? It's right there. Now this one was fine. Now if you look at the video, it took a bunch of packing to get it to this point, but this one is really patchy. You see that big old patch? Now I'm not sure if it's the eyeshadow or if it is the, you know, my setting of my, you know, once I cut the crease. So I'm gonna give it another try because the colors came out good. You know, I'm okay with that on this eye, but this eye is a little patchy, so we're just gonna bring the hair down. It's gonna be fine. So if you're enjoying the palette series, let me know. Give me a like if you like this video. Leave me any comments. Like I said, if there's any palettes that you really want me to try out soon, I do kind of have a list. I need to make a list of palettes I'm gonna do. And then, as always, if you're new to this, if you're new and you made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. It's just a polite thing to do when you come visit somebody's YouTube home. All right, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. See you later. I can only wink with this eye because this eye is, yeah, okay.